Hi learners, and welcome to this lesson. We are going to be using greater than, less than, or equal to. Can you see the signs I have? Didn't we learn about this? What did we learn? We learned fish mouths or Pac-Man, however you choose to remember it. And we said that where the sign faces, it eats the bigger number. So the sign faces the bigger number. Okay? But in terms of fractions, how do we decide which fraction is bigger and which fraction is smaller? Let's look at the first example. Which is bigger, which is smaller? Half or 1/3? Remember, we had that lesson already. So let's look at a piece of chocolate. The first one I'm going to divide in half. 2 pieces. The second piece I need to divide by 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Is half a piece or 1/3 of a piece? Which one is bigger? Look at the size of the pieces. Half is bigger, right? So half is bigger than 1/3. So the sign has to face half. The sign will eat the bigger number. The next example. 4 pieces, 6 pieces. Let's look. Let's divide this into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll divide the next one into 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is my 1 piece of 4 and my 1 piece of 6. Which is bigger? Definitely the 1/4. 1/4 is a quarter. So a quarter is bigger than 1/6. So the sign faces the bigger number. Do you see how different this is? Because the number 6 alone is bigger than 4. But when it's in a fraction and when it's in parts, it is definitely smaller. The last example. 3/6, 3/6. So both parts are divided by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first one is 3 parts. The second one is also 3 parts. Which part is bigger? None. They're exactly the same. The fraction is exactly the same. So we say that this fraction is equal. This is a method, right? A way to help you. If you color in the parts, 1 part of 1/4, 1 part of 1/6, 3 parts of 1/6. If you color in the number of parts, you'll be able to see which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So use that trick, use that method, complete your workbook. When you complete that workbook, you'll be able to practice. Remember, the direction of the sign is very important. So take out your workbook, complete that workbook, and I will see you in the next lesson.